Good day and welcome to my video lectures about physics. In this video lecture, I will discuss about the net force calculation inside the elevator. So let's start. Let's start with the picture. A 60 kilograms man is standing in the scale inside the elevator, and the elevator is at rest. Now what does the scale reads in this situation? So let's draw a free body diagram. So there is a weight force of the person and there is an upward force known as the normal force. So the person exerts a downward weight force and the scale exerts an upward normal force on a person. Now what you need to understand in this situation is that the scale does not always register the weight force depending on how the elevator is moving upward or downward. The normal force is what the scale reads, and it will fluctuate based on where the elevator is moving. However, at rest, the scale will read the weight force. Now, how can we write the equation for this situation? The sum of all forces in the y direction is equal to the sum of upward normal force and downward weight force. Normal force is positive because it is in the upward y direction, while the weight force is negative because it is in the negative y direction. Now it is important to understand that the scale does not always read the weight force, rather it reads the normal force. Now, the sum of all forces in the y direction is equal to the mass times the acceleration according to Newton's second law. The acceleration is zero because the elevator is at rest and the weight force is equal to mg. Therefore, the equation will become may is equal to Fn minus mg. And solving for the normal force, we get 588 newtons. Therefore, we can say that when the elevator is at rest, the acceleration is zero, and so the normal force is equal to the weight force. Let's say the elevator is moving upward at constant speed of 6 meters per second. What do you think the scale will read? Since the upward speed is constant at 6 meters per second, so there is no increase in speed, and that means that the acceleration is zero. Therefore, the scale will read only the weight force of the person, which is also equal to 588 newtons. How about if the elevator is moving downward at constant speed of 12 meters per second? What do you think the scale will read? Of course, the scale will also read only the weight force equal to 588 newtons because the acceleration is also zero. In summary, the scale is going to read a weight force of 588 newtons regardless if the elevator is moving upward or downward at constant speed or if it is at rest. Now let's say the elevator is moving upward with an acceleration of 4 meters per square second. The scale is going to detect it. Either the weight force or the normal force is increasing or decreasing. The free body diagram tells us that the sum of all forces is equal to the normal force plus the weight force. Now the sum of all forces in the y direction is equal to the mass times the acceleration according to Newton's second law. Substituting all the given variables, the equation will become, so the normal force is equal to 828 newtons. Now we can say that the scale will read larger weight than the weight force of the person of 588 newtons when the elevator is accelerating upward. How about if the elevator is accelerating downward of 4 meters per square seconds? When going downward, the acceleration is negative, and solving for the normal force, we get 348 newtons. So what you need to remember is that when the elevator is accelerating upward, the person feels heavier, but when the elevator is accelerating downward, the person feels lighter. Now what gonna happen if the cable snaps or cut? If that's happened, the elevator is in free fall. Let's say before the cable snaps, the person is jumping in the air. Now the person and the elevator is both in free fall. They are both falling at 9.8 meter per square seconds due to gravitational acceleration. So they are falling with the same downward acceleration. Because they are falling with the same rate, the person will never touch the floor until the elevator hits the ground. But while it is falling, the person will feel as if he is in space. At this point, the scale will not read the person's weight because there is no contact between the person and the scale. Thank you.